Okay, this 3D printed accessory for your desk might actually be very useful, especially if you're wanting to have a nice neat setup. That's where the Workspace Hero actually comes in play. Because majority of this, is 3D printed. Because yes, everything that you see with the shelf is using mostly 3D printed parts. And not just that, but you can even print it yourself, which is a nice little plus if you do have a 3D printer already. Now today we're just going to cover what you can actually get from this Workspace Hero and also the convenience of these accessories for your setup. So let's cover everything you should know. Now first, let's actually look at the shelf. Now this is actually including mostly 4 parts, all being 3D printed. The only part that isn't 3D printed for the shelf is the rods because, well, you can get any wind-dowel rod from a hardware store and you can obviously just use it for the shelf, which makes it more convenient for you because you can even just customize them rods to be any shade you want. You can have it with a nice wooden finish, you can have it with a nice dark finish, or even just customize it even more for your own liking. That's something I do like about the shelf and just the overall convenience. This is where we're going to go into handout mode because this is going to be the best way to really describe how this actually works. Now, of course, I have the website up right now, but this is the build quality. Now, you can also use any materials you want, but this is also just your standard material that you would actually get for a 3D printer. You've got a nice little bookshelf, which is a nice little thing to have. You have these accessories, which you can even just twist it, take it off, and put another piece on, and just slide it back on. Now you get these little accessories that you can actually print for yourself if you're wanting to have it with the shelf. You have a nice little cup holder, you can have a little coaster for your mug. This side, we even have the iPad holder, which we will show a bit later. And we even have a little pen holder for obviously all your pens or even accessories that are easy to actually just put on. In fact, taking this off, this is just what you are putting onto the shelf. It just easily goes around the wood and clips back on. And then of course you can swap around the pieces, you can make it more customized to your liking, but this is all 3D printed except obviously the rods. But now we have the iPad mount on right now. So we can take, let's say, just this iPad Air, put it on, and we can even just move it around, swivel it around, and it works pretty nicely. Now, not just that, but the convenience of it actually being put on is one of the main things I do like about this Workspace Hero. You can also obviously 3D print the tools, so we can just unscrew it a little bit here, or we could even just fully take it off. And you can even use the phone mount and just mount it on here. And to even show what you can do is, if you make this a little bit looser, you can move it even more to be more in the center. You can make it more straight. It actually has so many ways you can customize it to your preference, especially if you are wanting to work with your phone in the corner, with your 2 monitors, or even 3 monitors, depending on your setup. It adds a lot of convenience. Now, let's say you don't want to obviously build the shelf itself, but you do want to have some of these accessories for your standard shelf, for your monitor. You can even get accessories for that. Because right now in front of us, we have this rail that you can easily put on any shelf. Now, the parts that we have here is including the MagSafe charger for both iPhone and Apple Watch. You also have a nice little lip for, obviously, for either your phone, your iPad, and it's very convenient. And that's not just it. Because we actually already have a shelf here that does have the rail on. Now, because we already have the rail underneath on this shelf, I can put the Elgato mount right on it, slide it around, have a monitor on top of here, and also have the Stream Deck right on here. And obviously, depending on your position, on where you want to put this, can be more convenient for your own use. Now, for me to actually just look at the website itself, you can actually shop from many options, from rails to MagSafe mount holders, even some holders for your phone. You can actually get a lot from them. Now, of course, like I said, you can just buy these straight from them, or you can even purchase the blueprints for yourself, so you can actually just print it yourself at home if you have a 3D printer. But otherwise, if you're actually wanting to get something to improve your home setup, this could actually be a good option to go for. But do let me know in the comments below. Would you think you'll go for this for yourself, or would you recommend anything else on the market right now? But I hope you guys enjoyed. So guys, next one, peace out as always, and have a great day onwards. Bye.